Assalamualaikum Hazur. My question is that when on the day of judgment someone is punished for their sins, what happens after that once their punishment is over?
When the final punishment will be decided for them. Otherwise, immediately after death, the person who does good deeds, he will be rewarded for that, and who is not doing good deeds and doing against all the commandments of Allah, against the commandments of Allah, he will be punished. The punishment starts from the very day the person dies, right? Or final decision of punishment will be taken at the time of judgment. Then the time will come when they complete their punishment. You see, as you see here, some are criminals are given 5-year sentence, some 10-year sentence for life sentence. That is, life sentence is also for 25 years. So the same way, Allah Ta'ala will punish them for certain period of time, and then they will all be asked to go into heaven. See, this is why Holy Prophet ﷺ said, a time will come when there will not be any person in the hell. Allah Ta'ala forgive all of them. But that does not mean that you should not do good deeds. You should try to do good as much as you can, so that from the very first day you go to heaven, instead of passing through a severe punishment which you cannot tolerate. ठीक है?